Halo teman-teman, selamat datang kembali di channel YouTube saya. Ini aku Pxharlie di channel YouTube bernama Pxharlie. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my future videos. Jadi untuk reaksi video ini, aku akan bereaksi terhadap video ini dengan judul Nuna Honk official music video. So this just released 5 hours ago, guys. 5 hours ago. We are this early. Okay, so we watched Nuna last time and that was Rollerblade, right? Rollerblade, blade. So now it's a honk, like the honk of the car, maybe. I think so. But yeah, I'm really excited to watch this since Nuna has this concept of like their own. They can call that it's their own. It's not just the usual music video. It's not just the usual song that they create, but there's the uniqueness they have. So we're going to watch it and let's see how this goes, okay? Satu, dua, tiga. Huh? Wait. I was like, why is it there's a car in this one? And yo, they just use the Indonesian concept of honking. Those basuri, was that? Yeah, because we also have that one. It's getting popular way back then during pandemic, and I think it came from Indonesia, and the hype just flew to the Philippines. Aduh, that was a good Indonesian coded of honk. They included in the intro. Aduh, that was good. Keren. Genius is the one who making this music video or music at all. Okay, lanjut.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, posted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
Wow. Okay, you don't need a fancy studio to create a good music video. They just use the Indonesian background, the nature. They just use that one. Aduh, this is good. I like the cinematic and the music. Okay, lanjut.
Get on the angkat.
Angkat?
Get on the angkat.
Wow, genius. In Indonesian street. Wow. Cantik ya, cantik. Cantik. Aduh. Aduh, okay, I like get on the angkat. They're trying to combine Indonesian word to English. Aduh, that's unique. It's just a, get on the bus. It's not like that. Angkat. Wow. And I honestly don't know their names, so I cannot really tell. But everyone is doing so good. Like best dancers. They pick the best dancers and singers. Wala pa. It's like a flash mob. Ah, cantik. Wow. Now I'm thinking they will be global in the next few months, probably. Probably they'll go global. Aduh, they deserve a recognition. this is better than K-pop for sure. Maybe in my opinion. Dude, that was good. This is the good example of collaborating, the culture and music, and also the things that are in the country. You don't need an expensive studio. You can just use the nature, the usual background, the streets. Ado. And I really like the cinematic scenes. And the girls are just like doing their job so easily. It seems like it's so easy. It seems like that. But yo, I really, really like them. I'm probably gonna get to know them more, the four of them, because they are just four and I don't know the names. But I really like this song, especially the intro that caught me off guard. Ado, I didn't expect that. I was like, what is it? The car? Why is there a car? And there's like a honking in the background. And that's the uniquest intro I ever seen. Ado, I like that one. I like this one. Get on the angkot. It's like you're going in a bus. Get on the angkot. Okay guys, that's all for today's reaction video. I hope you like it and we'll see you soon to my next reaction video. Terima kasih banyak.